Hi guys, you're welcome. This is XUJ Fashion here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sew a 360-degree cycle skirt. If this is what you like to watch, please do watch this video to the end so you won't miss important part of this video. Like and share this video if you find it helpful. Subscribe if you are yet to do so. And if you are new to the channel, you are most welcome. Please hit the subscribe button to join our community. And let's get into it. To sew this cycle skirt, you'll be needing the following items. So get all your materials ready and let's start. Fold your fabric into 4 equal parts. As you can see in the video, mine is folded into 4. And I'm using 2 yards of fabric because I'm making a short skirt. The length of this fabric I folded into 4 is 23 inches in length on both sides of the fabric, while the width of this fabric is also 23 inches. So if you don't know how to fold your fabric or the amount of fabric needed to cut your 360-degree cycle skirt, you can watch my drafting video. In that video, I explain in detail how to derive it, okay? After folding your fabric into 4 using your measurement, take the cycle skirt pattern and place it on the fabric. Make sure your pattern is touching the 2 folded edges as you can see in the video. Pin the pattern to the fabric or use a heavy weight something to hold your pattern in place before cutting it, okay? Next, add joining allowance to the waistline and hemming allowance to the bottom line of this skirt or the length of the skirt, okay? That is if you did not add it to your pattern while drafting it. Go ahead and cut the waistline and the hemline to get your cycle skirt. I hope you guys understand this video. If you don't, ask your question in the comment section and also like and share the video, and let's continue. After cutting out your skirt, you should have it looking like this. Take out the pin and keep the pattern for future purpose, except you want to be drafting the pattern anytime you want to cut a 360-degree cycle skirt. So once you are done, you notice that the 2 edges are on fold, okay? Now indicate the front and the back of this pattern so you won't make mistake while sewing it. To cut the waistband, just fold your fabric into 2. This fabric is unfold into 2. Then place your pattern paper on it and cut out. After cutting, this is what you should have. Next, take the cycle skirt and open up one side of the fold so we'll be able to fix our zip later, okay? Now if you unfold this, you will find out that you ended up with a full cycle. The next step is to measure around the waistline of this skirt to ensure that it's equal to your waist circumference. And once you are done measuring it around, take the waistband of this skirt. You can see I've already ironed and stay on it. So take the waistband, take one of the edge and place it on the skirt. You can use pin to hold it down. Then you take it to your sewing machine and stitch it down by 1/2 inch. As you can see, I'm done stitching mine and this is how it come out, okay? Next, place the folded edge of the waistband directly on top of the seam allowance you just stitch down, okay? Arrange it very well and ensure that it covers the stitch line properly. This is to enable you have a neat finish once you are done sewing your skirt. To make your work easy, use pin to keep it in place so when you are sewing it on your sewing machine, you will not have issue. It will be easy for you. After pinning it, take it to your sewing machine and stitch down the top edge, just like you see me demonstrating it in this video. So after I was done stitching it down, you can see how it's come out. You can see the front and the back, they are very neat. Now the next step is to put the skirt together, right sides facing each other, making sure that they are equal. Then measure and mark 1 inch for your zipper allowance from the waistline to the bottom of the skirt. Note, if you use 1 inch, if you added 1 inch when you are drafting this skirt pattern, please go ahead and use it. Just ensure that you are using the exact zipper allowance you added while drafting this, okay? Now the next step is to place your zipper from the top of the waistline and mark 1/2 inch above the metal bar of the zip, okay? That is, go up from that metal bar, go up by 1/2 inch and mark. Then from that 1/2 inch you mark, you are going to sew down the zipper allowance all the way to the end. Once you are done, you should have something like this. I use a French seam to sew mine. Now the next step is to hem the hemline. You first fold it by 1/4 inch, then further fold it by 1/2 inch. You can use a pin to keep it in place, or you can use bias to just finish up. Anyone that is easier for you is best, okay? Once you are done folding, just take it to your sewing machine and stitch it down. Then you also fix your zipper. Okay, and once I'm done, this is what I have. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any question, please leave it in the comment section. I'll be there to answer it. Like and share this video if you find it helpful. Subscribe if you're yet to do so, and if you are new to the channel, you are most welcome. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Until then, keep practicing, because practice makes perfect. Bye for now.